Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Bagen at Florida Orthopaedic Institute, and I'm here today to talk to you about a few stretches, things you can do after a run that will help your flexibility and help to prevent acute injuries. So right now it's tough times for everyone, but a lot of people are lacing up their running shoes and they're getting into running. If they're a beginner, this is a great time to talk about flexibility and just a few things to do post-run that will help you out in the long run. First, we do want to talk about starting off slow when you're running. So even, right out the gate, you don't want to be, doing a full sprint. You want to warm up your body and do more of a brisk walk before you start your run. And once your body is warmed up, once you're to the point of perspiring, that's really when your body is warm, and that's when you want to stretch. A lot of people will ask, should I stretch before exercise or after? And we really recommend that you stretch after exercise, after the muscles are already warm. So with that being said, after your run, you definitely want to stretch your quadricep muscles, and there are a few things you can do. You don't need much equipment, just maybe something to hold on to stabilize yourself for balance, but you don't need to lie on the ground, you don't need a mat, you don't need any other equipment than that. So just real basic. You want to bring your foot, grab the top of your foot here, hold on to something for support, and you're really just pulling up the foot to the buttocks area, and you want to hold the stretch for 30 seconds. So we'll do both legs, make sure everything's balanced, but hold for 30 seconds. You don't want to push through. You want to get through your comfort zone, but you don't want to cause yourself any pain. So if you feel pain, you want to back off. So we're stretching our quadriceps. You want to stretch your hamstrings as well. Good standing stretch for that. You just lift the toes up on one foot, and you're actually going to keep this leg straight. You don't need to completely lock out the knee. You can keep a little bend in there, and you're just going to push back. A lot of people have the tendency to really bounce, and you want to avoid bouncing when it comes to that stretch. And hold for 30 seconds again, and you want to do the other leg for balance. So we've stretched our quadriceps, our hamstrings. There's also a really good calf stretch that you can do. We're gonna go up against the wall here, and you just take your back leg, keeping that heel down, and you lean forward, kind of press into the wall or whatever structure you've got there in front of you. And again, hold for 30 seconds, switch sides, gives you a good calf stretch after a run. We also want to stretch our IT band. So this can be a common cause of knee pain in runners. A little trick for this, you want to take one foot, bring it behind the other foot, and you're actually going to take your other arm, you're going to lean towards, almost try to make a circle, kind of stretching the whole side of the body to stretch that IT band. Hold for 30 seconds again, and you want to do the other side. Our last stretch that we want to do after a run is the Piriformis Stretch. So you may have seen this stretch for a sciatica type of back pain, but we can do this after a run as well. And you do want to take your leg, bring your foot up above the opposite leg, above the knee, and you're really just going to lean back. Use this for support. Lean back, you really feel that stretch in the piriformis and the glute muscles. So 30 seconds again, try not to bounce with any of these stretches, and do the other side as well. So those are 5 basic stretches after a run. Really easy to do, 5-10 minutes total after your run. And everyone try to be safe out there, and stay active. And if you have any questions, then just let us know. Thank you.